Hello, everybody. I hit the bullseye. Anyways, guys, I'm going to find the entrance to this car wash. But we are here at the Valley Forge Car Wash. And, hold please. Alright, from the top, we are here at the Valley Forge Car Wash. And it is looks like a Belanger Motor City Wash Works. I don't know if there's any Sonny's. It looks like there's also maybe Macneil. I'm not sure. But this is going to be an interesting wash. Now let's see what they got.
Select an item by touching the options on the screen or by using the button. If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now.
And here we go. Hopefully that $15 wash gives us everything. But it looks like it will, by the looks of it, because tire dressing, it looks really nice here for a car wash, so this is neat. And here we go. Okay, and that is it. Okay, so what I didn't say yet was that there was also PECO equipment. So let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Let's take it from the top now. We got Belanger, Macneil, PECO, and Sonny's. Oh goodness, that was a mixed tunnel, all right. And especially for a cool express car wash. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys understand how these vacuums work, same thing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.